Cleaning your barbecue isn't just about appearance. It's about flavor, hygiene, and making sure your grill performs at its absolute best for as long as possible. Over time, layers of grease, burnt food, carbon buildup, and even insects or debris can collect in your grill, especially if it's been sitting outside or used frequently without a deep clean. These layers not only dull the flavor of your food but can pose serious safety risks like flare-ups or even grease fires. That's why a deep clean, beyond the quick scrape down after each use, is an essential part of owning and maintaining a barbecue. Whether you're using a gas, charcoal, or pellet grill, the deep cleaning process shares a lot of similarities and is much easier when broken down into simple steps. 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist link in the description, plus bonus you will also get access to our free community made for women. Start by making sure the grill is completely cool, and if it's a gas grill, turn off and disconnect the propane tank or gas line. Safety should always come first. Then remove all detachable components. This includes the cooking grates, burner protectors, flavorizer bars, drip trays, and burner tubes if accessible. Lay these out carefully and prepare a large container, utility sink, or even a large plastic tub or bucket where you can soak them. Fill it with hot water and a generous amount of degreasing dish soap, something strong enough to cut through caked-on grease. Let all the parts soak while you move on to the interior. If you're working outside, you can even lay them out on a tarp or patio with some soapy water and spray them off with a hose before scrubbing. While the parts are soaking, start with the inside of your grill. Use a strong wire brush, scraper, or even a putty knife to dislodge any large chunks of carbon and grime from the lid, side walls, and bottom tray. Many people forget that grease doesn't just drip downward. It can splatter up, especially on the inside of the hood. You'll likely see a layer of black carbon. Scrape this off carefully. For especially stubborn gunk, mix up a DIY grill cleaner paste using equal parts baking soda and vinegar or lemon juice. Spread the paste on greasy areas and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before scrubbing. You'll be amazed how much easier it lifts off once the paste has broken down the buildup. Some grillers even use a handheld steamer or set a pan of boiling water inside the grill for 10 minutes before scraping. It helps loosen debris with steam. Don't ignore the burner tubes on gas grills. They're essential for even heat distribution and are often home to clogs or spider webs that can interfere with flow. Use a soft brush or even a pipe cleaner to gently clear out each tiny hole in the burners. Avoid poking anything sharp into the holes as that can damage them. For charcoal grills, remove all ashes and wipe down the bottom bowl, which often accumulates fine ash mixed with grease over time. This can absorb moisture and lead to corrosion if left unattended. Now let's talk about one of the most neglected parts of the grill, the grease trap or drip pan. Many fires have started because this part was ignored. Carefully remove it, empty the contents into a non-flammable container, never pour grease down the drain, and scrub the tray clean with soap and water. If it's extremely greasy or caked, hit it with a degreaser spray or that baking soda paste again. Once the inside is clean, return to your grates and other soaking parts. After they've had time to loosen up, scrub them one by one using a wire brush, steel wool, or even a grill stone for really stubborn residue. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap or loosened debris. Then dry everything completely, either with a clean towel or by laying the parts out in direct sunlight. Never reassemble a grill with damp parts. Moisture can cause rust and damage over time. Before reassembling your grill, take a damp cloth and wipe down all interior surfaces to pick up any remaining dust or residue from scraping. This is also a great time to inspect your grill for any rust, cracks, or parts that may need replacing. Grill maintenance is just as important as cleaning. Once everything is dry and clean, carefully reassemble all the parts. Make sure the burners and igniters are properly aligned, and that the grates and trays are securely in place. For the exterior of the barbecue, use a cleaner that's appropriate for the material: stainless steel, enamel, or painted metal. A simple mix of white vinegar and water works well to clean and shine most surfaces, or you can use a commercial stainless steel polish for that extra gleam. Finally, once everything is back together, reconnect your propane tank or gas line if you're using one, and turn the grill on high heat for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed. This final step helps burn off any residual cleaning product and ensures everything is working as it should. It also sterilizes the interior before your next cook. After the burn-off, let the grill cool, then oil your grates lightly with a high smoke point oil like canola or grapeseed. This will help prevent food from sticking during your next barbecue session and protect the grates from moisture. By doing a thorough deep clean like this at least once or twice a year, preferably before the start of grilling season and again once it's winding down, you not only extend the overall lifespan of your barbecue but also ensure that every single meal you prepare is packed with fresh, natural flavor. This kind of deep clean helps eliminate the buildup of burnt-on food particles, old grease, and smoky residue that can stick to your food and dull its taste. A clean grill also performs noticeably better. It heats more evenly across the surface, has significantly fewer flare-ups caused by excess fat or grease, and delivers that perfect, restaurant-quality sear without any of the unpleasant burnt smell or unwanted smoke that comes from a dirty grill. On top of that, there's something genuinely satisfying about lifting the lid and seeing a spotless, well-maintained grill that not only looks as good as new but functions just as well, if not better. Brings a sense of pride and confidence when you fire it up, knowing it's clean, safe, and ready to deliver. Whether you're gearing up for a lively backyard cookout with friends and family or simply preparing a quiet dinner for yourself or a loved one, the difference in taste, performance, and experience is something you'll notice and appreciate every single time. Click the link below to get your free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and your free emergency speed cleaning checklist. And join our free community